Hi, I'm Himanshu, Program Director with Kyndryl, looking after the cloud automation solutions which we have to offer for our Indian clients. Today we have, along with me, Sid, who is Enterprise Architect and also looking after application modernization, where we are working with various global clients in BFSI, helping them to modernize their application stack. Now, the one thing which we do here is on the platform engineering, where anything which is to be done to make your application run on a very smooth background with a seamless developer experience with data and AI and observability is something which Kyndryl brings into the market. Now, Kyndryl is a startup, I would say, but it is a strong startup with a lot of legacy which we have gained with the IBM spin-off last year. But we have come with the solutions which are relevant to BFSI and with the open framework which we have now started to look into. I would ask Sid to give a sneak preview in terms of how open framework can be helping rapid deployment of your platform even further than the hybrid infrastructure platform engineering.